Earn 200,000 coin every day on TapSwap on Telegram with no stress. First, open your TapSwap bot. If you yet to join, click on the link in the description. Click on Task. Click on Join Our Socials and Start Mission. Click on the Go button and for the instructions. Wait until the countdown finish. Then click on Check. Click on Finish Mission and claim it. It will be added to your balance immediately. In the next video, I will teach you how to claim the 100,000 by connecting Solana wallet. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.